In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Maps navigation. If your location seems off, the arrow points the wrong way, or directions stop when your screen goes dark, follow along and we'll get things working smoothly again. Start by checking your phone's location settings. Open Settings, go to Location, and make sure Google Location Accuracy is turned on. This feature uses Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and nearby signals to refine your GPS, which dramatically improves positioning in cities and indoors. On some Android devices, it may appear as improved location accuracy or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. If you don't see it right away, use the settings search bar and look for location accuracy. Keeping this on doesn't replace GPS, it enhances it, so your dot locks faster and wanders less. Next, disable battery saver while you navigate. Power saving modes limit background activity, slow GPS updates, and can even pause location when your screen turns off. Swipe down to open Quick Settings and toggle Battery Saver off, or open your battery settings to turn it off there. You can turn it back on after the trip, but keeping it off during navigation helps maps stay responsive and accurate. Now calibrate your compass inside Google Maps. Open the app, tap the blue dot that marks your current location, and choose Calibrate. You'll see options to use your camera for improved orientation or to move your phone in a smooth figure 8 motion. Hold your phone upright, make a few slow figure 8s, and watch for the accuracy indicator to improve. Calibrating reduces the chance that the arrow points the wrong direction at the start of a route or when you leave a building. Finally, confirm Maps has the right location permission. Open your phone's app info for Google Maps. On Android, you can long press the app icon and tap App Info, then go to Permissions, Location, and select Allow all the time. This ensures navigation continues if the screen turns off or you switch apps for a moment. While you're there, make sure Use Precise Location is enabled so the app can access exact GPS rather than only an approximate area. If you prefer more privacy later, you can always change these back, but for reliable turn-by-turn guidance, always on and precise access work best. That's it. With accuracy improved, battery saver off, your compass calibrated, and the right permission set, Google Maps should lock on quickly and keep your route stable from start to finish.